Are you dreaming of working abroad in 2025, but feel stuck because you don't have a degree, can't pass IELTS, or can't afford an agent? You're not alone. Thousands of people every year give up on their dreams of going abroad, simply because they think it is too expensive, too complicated, or impossible without connections. But what if I told you that some countries are actually offering work visas with no IELTS, no agents, and in some cases, with absolutely no visa application fees? In this video, I'm going to walk you through real opportunities, not scams, not theories, but actual countries that are giving legal, official work visas in 2025 for jobs in industries like construction, caregiving, warehouse operations, hotel and restaurant services, factory work, agriculture, and more. And you don't need to pay anyone to get access. The process is easier than you think if you know where to look and how to apply correctly. Let's begin with Portugal. Portugal is one of the most work-friendly countries in Europe for foreign workers. It has a huge labor shortage and is encouraging people from Asia and Africa to come work in sectors like hospitality, agriculture, cleaning, and logistics. If you can get a job offer, and there are many out there, the visa process is straightforward. The best part? You don't need to take the IELTS test. You don't even need a university degree in most cases. You can apply for a job from your home country, and some employers even help cover visa and relocation costs. Many seasonal jobs and short-term contracts are available that require only basic documents, and no agent is needed. Next is Poland, a country that continues to rise in popularity for international workers. In 2025, Poland is speeding up work permit processing for foreign labor because of its increasing demand in factories, warehouses, farming, and cleaning services. If you're from India, Pakistan, Nepal, or an African country, there are real chances for you to get hired by companies who are already approved to bring foreign workers. Again, no IELTS is required, no expensive consultants needed, and the visa cost is minimal. You apply through the employer directly or via official recruitment portals. And once your job offer is confirmed, they sponsor your visa. I've seen real people go through this process without paying anyone. Now, let's talk about Hungary. Many people don't even consider Hungary, but it's a goldmine of opportunity right now. They have officially signed agreements to bring in thousands of foreign workers in industries like electronics, manufacturing, and food packaging. Some companies even provide free housing, food, and transport. There are agencies licensed by the government that handle the paperwork for free. And if you apply through the employer's official channels, you won't need an agent. English fluency is not mandatory, just the willingness to work hard and follow the legal process. Then there's Romania, a country that quietly continues to offer thousands of legal work permits every year. Whether you're interested in working as a cleaner, helper, hotel worker, or even in retail, Romania is welcoming foreign workers from South Asia, Africa, and the Middle East. No degree, no IELTS, and in many cases, no interview. Just prepare your documents, get a job offer, and apply directly. Employers in Romania often assist with paperwork, and you'll find tons of opportunities through verified channels that don't require you to pay anyone up front. And finally, we come to the United Arab Emirates, especially cities like Dubai and Abu Dhabi. The UAE is one of the most popular work destinations in the world. And here's what people don't know. If you apply directly through a company website or a trusted job portal like Double, the employer will sponsor your visa. You don't need IELTS, and you don't need an agent. You don't even need to speak fluent English in most entry-level jobs. And best of all, many employers in the UAE cover your visa fees, flight ticket, and accommodation if you are selected. It's one of the fastest ways to legally work abroad in 2025. So if you've been thinking that working abroad is only for the rich or highly educated, I hope this video proves otherwise. These 5 countries, Portugal, Poland, Hungary, Romania, and the UAE, are real options. People are getting jobs, visas are being approved, and yes, it's happening without agents, without fake documents, and without wasting years on IELTS preparation. If you watch this video till the end, you now know the exact path you can take. You can start by visiting official job websites, looking for openings, preparing your documents, and applying directly. In the video description, I've added helpful links to real job portals, embassies, and visa application guides that you can trust. You don't need luck, you need the right information, and you just got it. So if this video gave you hope or helped you learn something new, please give it a like. Leave a comment below with your questions or which country you're planning to apply to, and don't forget to subscribe. I post weekly videos about real work visas, study options, and immigration updates that are designed to help people like you move forward in 2025 with confidence and without scams. Thanks for watching, and I truly hope your journey to working abroad starts today.